Today we're going to be talking about factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. That means there's the a is a number other than 1 in front of the x squared. Okay, so my first step, take a times c. So this 2 times that 12, so 2 times 12 is 24. So my second step, factors of AC. So factors of 24 are 2 and 12, obviously we just use those. 1 and 24, 3 and 8, and 4 and 6. 3. What adds to the middle, just like when there's not an x squared or an a in front, do the same thing. So 3 and 8 add to 11. Okay? So now we want to rewrite using these two numbers. Okay, so this comes straight down. So 2m squared plus, but now I'm going to take these numbers here. 3m plus 8m plus 12. So these numbers came here and here. And this comes straight down. But remember, these two make up this one. Okay, so now, factor by grouping. So I need to put my parentheses and start bringing stuff out. So 2m squared plus 3m. The numbers aren't the same, but there's an m in both. So I'm going to leave my 2m plus 3 because this m came out and one of these came out. Now 8 and 12, so plus 8 and 12 both have a common factor of 4. So 8 divided by 4 is 2m plus 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Check, do these match? They do. So they go in one set. Front or back, it doesn't matter. And remember, these go in the other set. And this here is our answer. Let's try another one. Remember, first step is a times c. So 3 times 4 is 12. That is obviously 3 and 4. 2 and 6, but 2 and 6 makes 8. So 3m squared. Now I'm going to put the 6m here because I know 3 goes into both of those. Plus 2m plus 4. And find your parentheses. So 3m goes up in the first one. 3 divided by 3 is 1. M squared, take out an m, is just 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2, but we took out the m right there. Plus, and then 2 goes into 2 and 4, right? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So m, 4 divided by 2 is 2. Do they match? Oh, they do. Good. That means we did it right. And rewrite that. And remember, the outside 2 go in the other set there. Let's try another one. Remember, first thing, 3 times 14. 3 times 14, calculator, is 42. So 3 and 14, that doesn't make 13. 6 and 7, that does make 13. Now this is a minus sign here. So they're both going to be minus because this is a plus sign. So remember, this means both same sign. So we have, excuse me, 3m squared minus 6m minus 7m plus 14. And do our parentheses. Remember, there's a plus sign right there. So 3 goes into both of these. M goes into both. 3 divided by 3 is 1. M squared, take out an m, is just a regular m. Negative 6 divided by 3 is negative 2, but the m came out. Now plus 7m plus 14. Now if there's a negative up here, I almost always want to take it out. So negative, we're going to take out a 7. So that makes it a positive m, and then a minus 2. So now they match. If we wouldn't have taken out that negative, these wouldn't have matched yet. So m minus 2 and 3m minus 7. here's D. So 3 times 4 is 12. Factors of 12 are 3 and 4. And that does add up. Remember, same sign, so both of them minus. Give me negative 7. So 4m squared minus 3m minus 4m plus 3. Parentheses. I'll put a plus sign right there. So no number goes into 4 and 3, but m does. So 4m minus 3 plus, I need this to say positive 4m minus 3. But it's a negative, so negative 1 because there's no number and there's no letter. 4m minus 3. Because when you take out a negative, that switches all your signs in here. Negative divided by negative is a positive. Positive divided by negative is a negative. So they match. So 4m minus 3. So these two, m, that can be just a minus 1. Okay, E. 5 times negative 12. So there's now a negative in the back, which makes negative 60. Okay? Since this is negative, that means one of each sign. Okay? So I've got 5 and 12. So these are, I'm actually subtracting these, basically. That's not going to give us 11. So we have 2 and 60. We have, sorry. Oh, sorry, 2 and 30, not 2 and 60. We have 3 and 20, 4 and 15. This one will subtract to get 11. So 15 minus 4 is positive 11, but 4 minus 15 is our negative 11. So 5m squared minus 15m, and I'm putting the 15 first because I know that a number goes on both of these too, plus 4m minus 12. Put your parentheses. What number goes into both of these is 5, and an m goes into both. So 5 divided by 5 is a 1. M squared, take out an m, is just m. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. But we took out that m. Plus, now 4 goes into both. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. So m, 12 divided by 4 is 3. And they match. 5m plus 4, the outsides. And you're done. One more together. So 7 times negative 18 is a negative 126, which means we're going to subtract again. Okay, so we have 7 and 18, obviously, but that's not going to give us 15. 3 and 42. I'm going to start plugging numbers in my calculator, just trying to figure out what else goes in there. Since 3 went in there, I tried 4. 4 gave me a decimal. 5 doesn't go in there because it's a 6 in the end. Let's try 6, and it gave me 21. Now when I subtract these, I do get 15. So 7m squared. Which one has to be negative to make a negative 15? It's a 21. So minus 21m plus 6m minus 18. 7 goes into both, so does an m. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. We took out 1m, makes just 1m. Negative 21 divided by 7 is negative 3. Took out that m. 6 goes into both. So we've left with m minus 3, because 18 divided by 6 is negative 3. And they match. And 7m plus 6. So try these 5 on your own.